Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
what is backlinks, why it is important, and how to get backlinks. Now let's get started. Backlinks are incoming links from one website to another. They play a crucial role in search engine optimization, SEO, as they help search engines understand the relevance, authority, and trustworthiness of a website. Now why it is important? 1. Improved search engine rankings. Backlinks can help improve your website's search engine rankings by increasing its relevance, authority, and trustworthiness. 2. Increased referral traffic. Backlinks can drive referral traffic to your website from other websites. 3. Brand awareness. Backlinks can help increase brand awareness by exposing your website to new audiences. 4. Improved domain authority. Backlinks can help improve your website's domain authority, DA, score, which can increase its credibility and trustworthiness. Now we will talk about how to get backlinks. 1. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality, relevant, and valuable content that other websites will want to link to. 2. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other websites and include a link back to your website. 3. Broken link building. Find broken links on other websites and offer to replace them with a working link to a similar article or resource on your website. 4. Resource pages. Create resource pages on your website that link to other high-quality websites in your niche. 5. Reviews. Encourage customers or users to review your website or business, which can include a link back to your website. Common backlink mistakes. 1. Buying backlinks. Buying backlinks from low-quality websites or link schemes can harm your website's credibility and trustworthiness. 2. Over-optimization. Over-optimizing your website's anchor text or internal linking can lead to penalties from search engines. 3. Low-quality backlinks. Building low-quality backlinks from spammy or irrelevant websites can harm your website's credibility and trustworthiness. 4. Not monitoring backlinks. Not monitoring your website's backlinks can lead to missed opportunities for link building and reputation management.
Like my video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.